up? Welcome back to my channel, Naturally Sade. So clearly I stretched out my hair and I actually did blow dry it, and I did do it on the low heat setting, so let's hope that minimizes any potential heat damage. And also, if you're wondering what I used, I actually did show the blow dryer brush on a previous video. It's this one right here, and I will link it below if anyone's interested. So in today's video, I am actually not going to be using any tools for today's heatless hump days. I am just going to be doing I guess a trending DIY heatless curls hairstyle. And so this one actually combines twists and bantu knots. So yeah, I saw this trend on TikTok, and I'll link the TikTok video below in the description. I believe her name is Lyric. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So I am gonna be using this hair butter by ORS. I'm trying not to put too much water-based products, which this is a water-based product, but it's more of like a butter, so it's a little bit more on the oily side. So I'm hoping my hair doesn't revert too much, so that way the bantu knots, when I take them down, we don't have any issues with them not being dry. So I'm just going to start separating, and I'm just gonna grab a little bit. I don't know if that's all I'm gonna need, but we'll see. See, like, it's really oily. It smells really good too. Hopefully it stays. All right, so once again, I'm actually taking a little bit more because I noticed I would apply a little bit more when I was doing the back ones. So I'll just get it out of the way now. I'll start curling, and I am trying to get it tight at the roots just to kind of get my edges in there a little bit. So as I get to the bottom and I've twisted it, now I'm twisting it around my finger in the same direction just to kind of help hold that end because it's slippery with the butter. And then I'm just gonna start twisting in the same direction. So I'm grasping here, I don't know if you can see, and then I'm gonna just twist it around. Just like a bantu knot. Except the only thing is, like, you grab it, grab the area, and then you start twisting around. So it's like a longer bantu knot, which these two I kind of messed up on, but whatever, I'm just gonna leave them. Keep twisting all around the base, and it'll like stick. Just like that. Okay, so I got them all in. I have 6 in the back, 3 in the front, so a total of 9 twist knots, whatever you want to call them. And I'm actually going to sleep in them overnight. So let's hope that they hold up. I did kind of make like a little space in the middle, so hopefully I can just, you know, lay my head nice and comfortably and just doze off. I will be back tomorrow for the takedown, and pray for me, y'all, because I hope that these turn out good. All right, so I am back and it's time for the takedown. There is a little bit of frizz, but I'm not even gonna worry about that, honestly. Like, it's fine. So I actually had to clip like some of these because they were unraveling a little bit. So there's a couple that I had to do that to last night, but whatever, it's fine. So I'm gonna just start taking out the clips and then we can start unraveling these. So let's start taking these down. Okay, it's looking promising so far. I'm gonna go ahead and start separating. I'm gonna use some of this oil here. All right, so this is what we're looking like halfway through, which it is a little frizzy. And honestly, it could be the products that I put in initially to wrap. It wasn't a holding product, it's a butter, so it's fine though. I actually don't mind it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this side and I'll be back. Okay, so here's the finished result of me separating. I might have separated a little too much. I might have gone a little too ham, but it is what it is. It's a little bit more volume than what I would have wanted for waves. If my hair was just curly, then I would just love for my hair to be this big. But I don't know. What do you guys think? How do you think it came out? Are you feeling it or not? Just so you could kind of see like a close-up of my hair. That butter definitely was not holding at all. So in regards to the TikTok hack, maybe I didn't do it right. I don't know, because I know that in Lyric's video, she had way more knots than I did. So she didn't have to separate so much. She probably only had to separate like each strand once or twice. Whereas I had to do it several times, which equals more frizz. But it's fine, it's fine. I wouldn't say that this is a fail. I don't hate it, but it's not what I was expecting. I would say it was not a hit, not a miss, but I'm indifferent about it. Would I try it again? I don't know. If I'm feeling extra patient one day and I have the time to do like 40 Bantu knots, then maybe I would, but otherwise, no. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. And while you're there, you might as well hit that subscribe button down below if you want to see more from me. And of course, as always, thank you so, so much for watching. I truly appreciate you, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.